So man, hold on for the hand, man. That's how you come. Hold on for her.
Yeah, shoot or shot with shot. When you start.
Ready?
I'm pause, hold on. Yeah, shoot with fire buck you up. We have to.
Ready?
Kelly. Kelly. Come back, man. No, don't go in there, man. Don't go in there. Don't shut up outside.
1 stone kill 2 birds. Like that tell him. I'm using 1 stone
Come right, that's all. Come right, that's all. Candy! Candy!
I'm going to kill 2 birds. Like you look for cutie with your mouth. I'm the one cafe data too. You ain't go for a place yet. That alone is the yeah, no, talk. You're not in this talk, you're not talk. Just chat to her, chat around.
I found it.
Ready?
Candy! Candy!
Yeah.
Hello, ma'am. What are you doing? Where is the daughter?
Huh?
Where is the daughter?
Where is my daughter?
Where is the daughter?
Where is my daughter?
Yes, I would like to have her up by my house, you know.
Why?
2 of them.
Why? With 2 of who?
Me and she.
Cutie, they go up. Look here. We can't send for my daughter up here. Why you want my daughter up here yard? With Cutie? So our mother give you permission? Look here. Me can't. Me can't do it. I need to investigate some more in this past year business where I'm going with it now. I don't understand.
Pastor, you said to us, stop bad ball and go sorry for you. You can't name no backside, no buy KC over here now. You buy KC with you? Yes. Oh, because if I can later.
I need to with you. Yo, hey! Check that! Boy! I thought top laugh like dirty big boy, top laugh like some big old man. Remember say I think?
Alright, so, yeah, so look at that. Stop the eyes, man. I buy KFC for you.
Look at that. Stop it, I buy it.
Ready now, Francis.
Look at that. Stop it, I buy KFC for you up here.
You buy KFC for me first?
Yes.
Candy, I'm going.
No, I don't feel that. Energy.
Like you that say, yes, me I come with you, but I want to stay with you, can you?
Look, girl. Stop the eyes, man.
Yeah.
I buy KFC up there for you, you know. Come on,
Yeah.
you don't like a KFC? Eh? You know, you love food.
Yeah.
Improvise Spanish, you love food. So when you buy, come on, boss.
I
Start
see.
rub it in beer.
Oh, in the
Rub the in
Oh,
head.
yeah.
Rub the in head. Rub the in head.
Right. Understand.
Right?
Yeah.
Ready now?
Start from the beginning.
Yeah.
The back side. Let me see it. Answer, like you call me. Yeah, me I come. What's going on? My daughter? No, you? My daughter now come up. Where name? Me know say a pastor. But where say name? Lied? Pastor lied? You hear where your name? You hear the lie? My daughter can't come up here yard. Little girl. I want to go married now.
And in boot, you have to do it.
Alright.
You see, I pick it from me. Eh?
Do you want to do it with friends? You don't know.
Tonight.
Okay. Just look like you're still asleep. Come on. You go go on over here and go put on clothes.
No video, bro.
Then my brother supposed to see to do it. People them pick me. You piss up the people them pick me.
My fault.
Shoot the last scene. You done a scene already?
Yeah.
Alright. Go and shoot her now. Okay, what is it? Get out all the changes on the place. Yeah. Check off the sample. Check off the sample. Change your clothes. Come on, change your clothes. Blows, guys. Change your clothes, too. You won't come and tell them how to say
Jesus. Oh.
but I'm borrow a cam now. Cam now, man.
Pastor. So she's pregnant.
Yes.
She's pregnant, you know.
And I'm late. Because I never beat my wife. 5 jacket my wife give me. So when I was in foreign, I didn't come over and I have to do the DNA. But that's still my girl because I do dead people's bad. But I cannot breathe nothing. So you are good on the camera then go back to your mom now. You're going to stay down here, right? So you've never seen them come over and look out.
You know, so actually I want 6 more to cook some seasoned rice now. Them a come.
That's if you say power, them a come, you can't say.
That's one on there.
One, that one, one. Let's say keep on mean more than one.
That's a bad with some saltfish and veggie chunks and
Salt mackerel, man.
mix up in one pot.
No, different thing.
Yeah,
I love
one.
starfish, I love too much starfish, man. Everything hockey and starfish. We change the menu sometimes. You can hockey and starfish business.
Oh, after that, I can't saltfish.
Well, just 2 times, 3 times, and that's it. How much have you eat it? You, I must ask you.
Brother Lloyd, listen to me. I don't do the eating. I don't do the eating. No? So like how you pray.
Well,
prayer.
just look at you me talking about the
Like
thing
that.
I eat, right?
Yeah.
You think that I eat?
No, I say it's like a prayer meeting.
But the way you talk is to make it look like say I eat, sir. The way you're
No,
talking about it, the way you talk.
no, I don't know your business, Pastor. You know when you close your congregation door,
See that lady there? You know that lady there?
doing a
Very
lollipop.
nice lady, you look at her.
She's doing a lollipop.
I thought it was your wife, you know.
Huh?
Yeah.
That's my mother.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. In the movie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're a nice lady, you know. Yeah.
She's not. She's a little bit too old for you. No? You like them young.
So why you think I only had like them young?
Because yeah, the wife.
But you don't easy, man. You don't easy, you know. So why you laughing, huh?
Yeah.
So why you laughing?
I just remember something.
What you remember? Tell me.
I remember when they said Whoppi kill Philip. Remember when I was doing it, like, oh, Whoppi kill Philip. Like, who is Whoppi and who is Philip?
Huh?
Yeah.
You always full up.
Yeah. I was wondering why I'm going.
So you know what's going on, huh?
You know who is Whoppi?
No, but you know what's going on, right? Well, look what you're talking about it, huh? Think you know, I
No.
think I know you.
It's just like them say Adam and Eve, you know?
Yeah, so what about Adam and Eve? Tell me.
So you didn't know that Eve eat the forbidden fruit?
Yeah.
What
yeah.
is a forbidden fruit?
Well, I hear apple, right?
Is it apple?
Well, let me tell you now.
Yeah.
It's in the garden now. God told him not to eat from that tree. And they pass the yard and they eat from it. So God cast him and and his partner out of the garden.
Who's his partner?
Well, I don't really remember his partner name, you know. But
Who Eve wasn't there?
yes, okay.
And who was the
thank you.
partner?
So I think you laughing at me, right? Huh?
No, I'm just.
So what you doing then? Huh? You're
I know,
laughing
as
at
I'm
me.
saying, I'm remembering something. You know.
You're always
The brain-
remembering something. You're not
Yeah, the
remembering
brain
nothing.
is always
You know,
remembering.
man, you know the thing is you just not
Yeah, so
remembering.
who is the partner?
You're not
Who is-
remembering anything,
who
you're just
is-
laughing at me. Just because I cannot tell you who's the partner is, huh? You just you're laughing at me. See, I told you, man, you think I'm a fool, huh?
No, you're a pastor. You should know these things, man. You should know these things. You know? Who is Adam and who is Eve?
Well, Adam and Eve,
Don't it Adam and Eve are brother and sister?
yes. Well, all of us here is one, you know. All of us are one. Yes, man. See, you're still laughing at me, man. What's so
No.
funny, man?
You're a comedian, man.
Yeah, so what's so funny?
You're a comedic actor, you know?
Yeah.
Very good. Pastor.
Look, you're taking me for a fool, huh?
No, man, you
So
can't.
why you laughing, man? Everything I say, you just laughing, huh? You can't be serious, man, like Ohio.
Yo, man, I can't be serious, man.
Oh, man, they cannot be acting like that in front of pastor. You should be acting like a gentleman. And look how I'm acting, huh? I don't act like you. See? Still not stop laughing, man. What is the problem?
I'm a man of many. I'm not a man of many words, you know.
Oh, so you think I'm a man of many words?
No, man, they didn't have to preach.
Yeah, I have to preach.
Don't you? Yeah, you did have prayer, young cutie.
Yes.
Did that pray. Young cutie did up there pray. Right?
Me?
Yeah.
You was praying.
No, I mean.
And that other guy, brown guy there, I don't even know him.
Who, Chucky?
Whatever you call him. I don't even know him, you know. Because I went away and I leave her at home. I expect come back and see her in the house where I leave her. When I came back, I just going through the path. I was going to check a friend. I just see you and her and another guy. Which I told her I don't know the guy, man. So
Alright, what do I do now?
what me doing and what you doing now?
Yeah, alright.
Standing there, huh? What do you have
Hold
to
on,
do?
hold on. Cutie! Oi! So brother Lloyd, I'm coming here.
Look at you, man. Huh? You need to change your style. Huh? You need to come to church more often, sir. Huh? You know that? You need to come to church more often.
No, I two of them greet me.
Who be do? She.
That's why I need to come here people
Hey!
start chat over sake.
If the pastor crucify you,
Happy nice though.
So after I tell him, I say, yes, I them greet me. Yeah, I say, you start cuss. And I say, me tell them to not grow on you not pay too bad. You pan down with pastor, they are bored with everybody. Now you contact with my son breeder. But you want to know if anything, me and Juta we see.
don't take too much time. That's
So
all.
you have to tell Candy so the baby born now. Can make you put up in that front room. Hey, when you finish. I don't know that all going on, but you go on over.
You have to watch the link.
When the baby born, we do the DNA. So same time Chucky and me boy come. Call Chucky and them before she left. Call Chucky and me boy and say, I start press like that.
Give me post time.
You know, I say, no,
When we done,
I'm going
he said subscribe.
Chucky go first, Chucky and say, no,
When we try to subscribe $29.
Yeah.
$30.
And you get a question, you should not talk about to get nothing.